Hi, I'm Gretchen Rivas with Relaxed Massage Therapy, and today we're going to talk about hot stone massage for the lower back. For this, you will need a pillowcase, hot stones, and oil. Whenever you're working with hot stones, usually you want to have your stones at a temperature of about 120 to 150 degrees. Use your tongs or spoon to scoop your stone out. Oftentimes they're really hot, so if they're too hot for you to touch, dip them in some water first and then dry them off a little bit before you get started on them. When you get ready to work on the back, first thing you want to do is to oil the back up. And you also want to put a little bit of oil on your stones. I always kind of roll the stones around a little bit, make sure they're nice and slick so that they move easily in my hands. One of the keys to working with hot stones is to turn them as you're working on the client. So when you're working on the low back, you come in here and work on these lower parts around the hips and the sacrum area. And if the stones are hot, do a flip with them and then keep working. You can come up through the sides. You want to remember the stones are like just an extension of your hand. They just give extra added warmth and heat and relaxation to the body. You don't want to push right on any bony prominences when you're working on the back or any part of the body for that matter. So as you see, I'm going down each side of the spine. And when I'm sliding over this part, I'm not pressing down on the spine when I glide over. You can glide over anything. You just don't want to put any deep pressure that's going to hurt the bony area. You can come over through the hip here, going over the hip bone, not on it. You can slide back and forth through here and use those stones to heat and soothe that lower back. It helps aid in the relaxation and gets to the deeper muscle fibers a lot easier than just your hands alone. And so that's how you want to use hot stones on the lower back.